Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews of the best beauty and personal care products out there. Today, we're talking about something that might not be in the spotlight as often, but is so crucial for maintaining dental health: SmileGoods PikPak Interproximal Cleaners. These tiny tools might seem unassuming, but they promise a lot, especially for those with orthodontics, implants, or bridges. If you're someone who struggles with getting into those tricky spots where your toothbrush just can't reach, or if you're always on the go and need something compact to keep your teeth clean between meals, then you'll want to hear about this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a review like this. Now, let's dive into what makes SmileGoods PikPak Interproximal Cleaners stand out. These little picks come in a business card-sized pack, making them incredibly portable. Each pack contains 10 interproximal picks, and with 72 packs in a box, that's 720 uses in total. Perfect for cleaning those hard-to-reach spots around braces, implants, and bridges where a toothbrush just can't go. The design is simple but effective. Each pick features soft elastic bristles and a flexible tapered handle that's gentle on your gums and teeth, yet efficient at getting rid of plaque and debris. The soft bristles make it safe for orthodontic appliances, so no need to worry about damaging your braces or implants. These picks provide a quick and easy way to clean in between your teeth throughout the day, without the need for water or toothpaste. Just grab one and you're set. Now, I personally tried these picks for a few days, and I was surprised at how easy it was to incorporate them into my routine. The compact packaging fits perfectly in my purse, so I could easily grab one when I was out and about. The handle is flexible, so it bends comfortably, allowing you to reach between the teeth and around the gums without straining. The bristles were soft but still provided a satisfying clean, which made me feel like I wasn't missing any spots. The only downside? I did find that the bristles can wear out a bit faster with heavy use, but for the most part, they hold up well for the intended purpose. When it comes to performance, these PikPak cleaners really deliver. They're perfect for those of us who have trouble cleaning between our teeth with a standard toothbrush. And because they're so small and lightweight, you can easily carry them with you wherever you go, ensuring your oral hygiene doesn't have to stop just because you're away from home. Pros? Well, for starters, these cleaners are incredibly easy to use, travel-friendly, and gentle, yet effective at cleaning between teeth. Plus, the 720 pick count in a box means you're getting excellent value for your money. The small business card-sized packaging is a huge win for portability. As for cons, the main downside is that the bristles can wear out quickly, especially if you're using them multiple times a day, which might mean you'll need to replace them sooner than expected. But considering the price and how much you're getting in one box, I think it's still a fair trade-off. In terms of value for money, I'd say these PikPak cleaners are a great option if you're looking for an affordable, on-the-go solution for dental hygiene. When you compare it to other similar products on the market, the SmileGoods PikPak comes out ahead in terms of portability and ease of use. You might find other products priced similarly, but none with the same convenience and number of picks per box. The build quality is decent, lightweight but sturdy enough to do the job. They won't last forever, but they definitely hold up for daily use, and their design makes them easy to carry around. If you're someone who often forgets to floss or finds it hard to get between your teeth with traditional methods, these PikPak cleaners might be just the solution you need. They're not a replacement for regular flossing, but they're a great complement for those in-between moments when you need something quick and portable. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now let's talk about customer support. I haven't had any personal experience with SmileGoods customer service, but based on what I've seen, the brand is known for providing solid support if you ever need it. Their reputation for responsiveness is pretty solid, so you can feel confident that they'll take care of any issues if they arise. If you're on a tighter budget, there are definitely cheaper alternatives to the SmileGoods PikPak Interproximal Cleaners. However, if you're looking for a high-quality, travel-friendly product with excellent performance, I'd say this one's worth the investment. To wrap things up, SmileGoods PikPak Interproximal Cleaners are a fantastic, practical tool for anyone with braces, implants, or bridges. They're easy to use, convenient to carry, and effective at cleaning those hard-to-reach places. If you're tired of worrying about food stuck in your teeth, especially when you're out and about, these are a must-try. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.